Okay, this is our landscaping contract for Dalkey. We have a fire pit finished in Donegal quartz with a semicircular seat capped with oatmeal granite. New lawn. We've used granite cobbles for the mowing edge to define the space. And mature planting to keep the privacy from the main road. Okay. Books as balls. And picket fencing. Of an olive tree. Nice driveway for 2 cars. A triangular cobble apron.
Thanks.
Okay, into the back. The paving is Raj green sandstone. We have a raised bed with Philostachys area, bamboo. Nice planting again. And a brand new lawn with cobble mowing edge. Okay, that's our garden in Dalkey.